Hello guys and welcome back to Homeless Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the USB storage device is not connected to your PS4 in 2023. So in order to fix this error code, you're going to have to put your PS4 into safe mode, and if you do not know how to do that, do not worry, I will show you in this video. So in order to put your PS4 into safe mode, the first thing you're going to have to do is turn off your PS4. And to know your PS4 has been fully turned off, these blinking lights over here should also be completely shut off. And don't worry, it will take like at least 10 seconds for it to be like completely shut off. And once it is shut off, you're also gonna need a PS4 charger, or basically just like a USB charger for a controller. And yeah, so now what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to hold on the power button for about 6 to 8 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. That was the first beep. And that was the second beep. Now once you hear these 2 beeps, you can let go. Safe mode should pop up on the screen any second. And when it does pop up, you're simply just gonna hold on the power button on your PS4 controller. So just this button, the PS button. Now from here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply go to rebuild database and you're gonna click on OK. Now this may take a few hours to even a few seconds depending on when was the last time you did this. And once you do this, the error code should be fixed and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.